Friends, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a quick little math project. I want to see how much you do and don't know about our lovely patterns on a coordinate plane so that I can see what else I need to help you guys with. So we have been learning the different things about a coordinate plane. We've been learning about the origin. We've been learning about the X and Y axis. We've learned a little bit about the quadrants. We mostly focus in quadrant 1 where all of the numbers are positive. And we started putting shapes onto this coordinate plane. We started discovering, the different shapes that we can make and what points they are on and identifying the different shapes. So we've been combining two different concepts that we have learned this semester. So today I want to test that even more so. And I want to do a little project with you guys. I'm going to explain it a little bit about what I expect from you. I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to show you and model what I want from you guys. So just bear with me and we can have some questions later on that I think of as we go that I feel like you guys might have, and I can answer them as we go through the video so you can have it back to look back at. Okay, so what you guys are going to get is you are going to get a blank coordinate plane paper, okay? And what you're going to do is you are going to think of a location. It can be any location except the location that I have as an example because I do not want copying. It's pretty easy just to copy what your teacher did. So you may not use my example. But I want you to think of different locations. Now, don't think of just one. Think of a couple of them just in case you fall a little bit short, you have more to add to it. So what I have up here for you, I have my blank coordinate plane and I have added, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wait, 1, 2, 6. Okay, I have added 6 ordered pairs onto my coordinate plane. I am expecting you to do at least 5 to 8 ordered pairs. Okay, I'm going to write it up here so we can remember 5 to 8 ordered pairs. Okay. So you're going to pick a location, and I want you to be able to plot 5 to 8 ordered pairs. So what I have done, my example is Disney. Okay. So what I have done is I have a ordered pair for the hotel. I have multiple ordered pairs for the different theme parks at Disney. And then I have an additional ordered pair for the beach. So the whole point of this is so that we can become familiar with locations and the different ordered pairs and the different things that we can do with a coordinate plane, okay? So the whole thing, now let's recap. You need to be able to find a location. It can be any location. You can do the zoo and you can plot different exhibits for your ordered pairs. You can do somewhere you've been, like if you've been to Space Center, any kind of fun place like that, or you can do any other amusement park. You just cannot use Disney. I will ask you to redo it if you do Disney. So again, do not use my example of Disney. You can do the location from your house to the grocery store and any other, place in between, but you need to make sure that whatever location you pick that you have 5 to 8 ordered pairs. Okay, so here I have 6 of them. Now, this is not the only thing that I'm asking you to do for this little project, okay? What else I want you to do is you're going to tell me a story based off of what you create on the coordinate plane. Okay, you're going to create me a story. So let's make this note as well. You're going to create a story. Okay, and in this story, you're going to give me 5 to 8 sentences. Okay. Do I want 4 sentences? No. Can you have 9 sentences? Sure. I need at least 5 to 8 sentences. That's at least one ordered pair for each sentence that you can discuss, okay? So I'm going to give you a little bit example of what I mean. So one of my sentences could say, I woke up in Florida at my hotel, okay? But here's the thing, that's not all I want on the sentence. I don't want you to just tell me a story like, oh, I woke up in Disney at my hotel, and then we went to Magic Kingdom, and then Epcot, and then Animal Kingdom, and then Hollywood Studios and the beach, and then back to the hotel. That's not what I want. That's a little too easy, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to tell me your story, but you're also going to give me the actual ordered pair. So you're going to give me the ordered pair. Not just the name, the actual number. Okay. So my story begins, I woke up in Florida on a sunny day at my hotel at 5:00. We left our hotel, so that was just one sentence, and now I'm on sentence 2. We left our hotel and started our day at Magic Kingdom at 3:04. Okay? Where we spent an entire day. Boom. Got 2 sentences right there. The next day, we started off at Animal Kingdom at 9:05. Okay. However, we did not spend a whole day at Animal Kingdom. We spent the rest of the day at Epcot at 7:08. On the third day of Disney, we spent a whole day at Hollywood Studios at 4:11. Okay. So I got about 4 sentences here. Okay. I know I plotted 5, but I added 2 together. But I still have one whole ordered pair that I need to talk about. Okay. So for my last sentence, I could say, we slept in at our hotel at 5:00 and went to the beach later that day at 15:12 to enjoy the sunny day. So boom, I have 5 sentences right there, okay? However, you're not going to just like speak out and orally tell it to me just like I did. You're actually going to write it down for me, okay? So let's kind of tilt it just a little bit. So my first sentence was, I woke up in Florida Darn, I just forgot what my sentence was. I woke up in Florida at my hotel at 5:00 and we started our day at Magic Kingdom. Boom. Okay. So the key things that we need to take away from this. So let me get another marker so that we can highlight some things. So the key things that we need, okay? We need to have 5 to 8 ordered pairs. Now, on these 5 to 8 ordered pairs, you need to make sure that you have the name and the actual number of the ordered pair. So just like how I have it here, I have the name and the number. I have the name and the number of the ordered pair. Okay. Then you need to create a story. So you're creating me a story using 5 to 8 sentences, and you're going to give me the ordered pair in your sentence. You're giving me the number in the sentence as well as the name. Okay. So just like how I wrote, I woke up in Florida at my hotel, there's the name at 50. Okay. You have to mention to me all of the locations and their ordered pairs. Okay. So hopefully this was a good example and explanation for you guys. If you have any questions on it, you guys know where to find me. I am happy to help you guys walk through it. Just remember, you're going to be getting a blank coordinate plane paper, and you're gonna run with it. That's what you're gonna get. So, but I've given you the guidelines up here. I will be happy to leave just the little tips on the assignment so that you guys can like look back at it a little bit easier rather than having to watch through the whole video all over again, which I know you won't do that. That'd be silly. So I will leave that information for you so that you can look back at it. The story, it can be online paper if you have online paper, or if you want to write it on the same page that the coordinate plane picture is on, that is perfectly fine with me. Just make sure that you have all of these components on it before you turn it in. Okay, double check. Even if you want to send it to me to make sure first, I will be happy to double check it, all that good stuff. All right, you guys, so if you have any questions about your math coordinate plane project, just give me a little quick message and I will help best explain it as I can. All right, you guys, I will see you next time. Bye.